Hey YouTube, this is Drew with Florida Home Theaters. I'm going to do a quick unbox and install of this Episode SIG-58-IC, basically a 8-inch in-ceiling speaker. So let's take a look inside here. We've been using these for a long time and they work great. This one is their mid-series, the 5 series. So, magnetic grill, there's your template. They work really great. They're kind of like cost effective yet performance oriented, all in the same, I don't know if you can actually say that in the same sentence, but but they work well. They work well for the money. How's that? All right, so you have the speaker. It does come with the paint cover on there. So I'll get that in there. Let me get it unwrapped. Actually, I got one unwrapped over here, so I can show you basically. So that's what you got in the box: speaker, the grill, the owner's kit, and the template to cut it in. So I do have a couple we're installing, so let me pull this out over here and show you. So you do have attenuation, so up or down on the dB as far as the highs, I believe, and then tunable tweeter, right? 8-inch woofer. I believe that's a 1-inch tweeter. And then for installation, you have these click tabs. So you're going to push that, and that'll actually just pop that out. Now, if you want to, you can also take the speaker out, just like this. So super easy, all right, to disassemble this product. So you can actually install that if you wanted to take the speaker out later and then put the grill on, so the grill actually would just attach to that. Like that. So if you wanted to move, if you moved, you could just take your speakers with you and then get new mounting bracket and grill, and you'd be in good shape. So let me get this prepped for the installation, and I'll show you how easy that goes in. Okay, so we've got went ahead and marked out our hole and got it cut out, and our speaker cable is here. This is a retrofit, so we are replacing an older speaker. Give us some upgrade. It's probably like 18, 20 years old or something. So let me grab a speaker and we'll show you how easy it pops in there. Okay, so I went ahead and connected the speaker cable, and I'll just slide this guy up in here. That, and adjust the tweeter and install our grill. And I'll wipe the fingerprints off there. But there you go, easy enough. If you like that product and that system, give us a call, Florida Home Theaters, 407-351-5798. Hit us up on our email address, www.floridahometheaters.com. Give us an email, sales@floridahometheaters.com. This is the SIG, Episode SIG-58-IC. Hope you guys enjoyed the overview. It's a good speaker, sounds good, pretty cost effective, easy to install. Thanks for checking out the video.